Hello everyone and welcome to the video. In this tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to create a Bitcoin wallet using Electrum. So while there are many different ways to create a Bitcoin wallet, I found Electrum to be one of the safest, simplest, and most effective ways. So the first thing you want to do is go to electrum.org and click on the download tab, and depending on your operating system, choose the appropriate installer. For this video I'm going to be installing on Windows, so I'm going to click on Windows Installer and we're going to get that executable. So we're going to wait for it to install. So once the downloader is ready to go, just go ahead and click on this and then click on install. So this is a quick one, it's going to take 10 to 15 seconds. And then click on close. Now we're going to go to our desktop, and as you can see we have the Electrum shortcut. So we're going to go ahead and open up the application. And on this first page you can see that you get to choose the name of your wallet. So the name of your wallet can be anything. I'm going to call this one YouTube wallet just to show you that you can change it. And that's going to be saved into the wallets directory under Electrum, which is basically the best place that you want to put it. And then we're going to click on next. And for this video I'm going to be creating a standard wallet, but the wallet with two-factor authentication and the multi-signature wallet are both good options as well with extra security. But for now we're going to go with the simplest option. So we're going to click on standard wallet and then click on next. And then obviously if you're watching this video you most likely do not already have a seed, so we're going to assume you don't have a seed, so click on create a new seed and then click on next. And we're going to keep it on standard, click on next. So right here is your seed, and it's basically just a bunch of random words that together form a sort of password. So what you want to do is write down your seed somewhere physically on a piece of paper or something, and you want to hide it, and you don't want to ever show your seed to anybody because you basically use the seed to recover your account if something goes wrong with your device that the wallet's on. So if you want to save your wallet, you want to keep your seed, and because of that you don't really want to show it to anybody because they could take over your wallet. So what Electrum's going to do is make you copy down this and copy it back into the next page. So I'm going to do that right now, and I'll be back in 1 second. So once the seed's copied in, you can click on next. And on this last page you get to create a password. So the password can be anything, but make sure it's secure because you're making a Bitcoin wallet, so it should really be as secure as your bank account. So make a solid password, check encrypt wallet file, and click on next. So now the wallet's going to be generated, and now the wallet's been made. So this home page here is real simple. On the history tab you can see a history of all the transactions on this specific wallet. And obviously we don't have any transactions right now, but if we did, it would show each one with the date, description, amount, and total balance after each transaction. And if you look at the bottom left hand corner, you can see the total balance on your account, and obviously right now that is of course 0. So on the send tab you can send Bitcoin to other people. All you got to do is put their Bitcoin wallet address into the pay to field, and you have an optional description, and you put the amount you want to send. And the fee is kind of important. Depending on how high your fee is how fast the Bitcoin is going to reach its destination. So if you want to kind of skip out on the fee, it might take days or even weeks for the Bitcoin to get sent. But if you want to pay a higher fee, it might just take hours. So yeah, usually I kind of pick somewhere in the middle for the fee, so it just takes a day or two. And on the receive tab you have your receiving address, so if anyone ever wants to send you Bitcoin, all they got to do is send it to this receiving address, and they would write a description of course and a requested amount, and they can go through that fee process, and you don't have to pay any fees if you're getting Bitcoin from somebody. All you got to do is make sure they have the correct address and you're good to go. So that is all I have for you for this tutorial. I hope you liked it. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.